what is today I am seeing my account again, but this time I am with my cousin just trying to download the skills and this stupid phone that doesn't work. Yeah. I can't download because my phone is loading forever. Yay, this dude. Please subscribe and like the video. 100k likes or 30k, 10k likes. We'll do another video. Yeah. Or maybe later if my anyway, make sure you up your volume. And today we're gonna be leveling up, cause as you can see, I'm very bad at the game, and all I do is buy stuff. So yeah, we go to the map. Wolves are easy to kill, so we're gonna go up to the right. Anyways, Raiden, what do you want to say to the camera right now? What do you want to say? Get 2 likes and we'll do another video. Yeah, 2 likes. Yeah, to do another one of Wolf Tales. Because yes, yeah. Oh shit, this guy's like, I wanna die there, I die there, I die there. No, 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 fly, 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 fly. Fly, la, fly. Only 23 HP. Fly away, oh mamma mia. Oh, lose. I already 23 HP. I'm gonna die right now. I think this is why nobody wants to subscribe at this point. I mean, it's free. It's very free. Anyways, in today's film, the main thing I'm supposed to be doing here is buying something. And yeah, Rita, let's buy something. What should we buy? From the store. Wait, I need to get more gems to buy stuff. Should we buy VIP? Okay. The silver one. Alright, let's go top up. How much should we buy? $2? Yeah, $2. Alright, so that's it for today. I'm in Roblox right now. And see you